Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us. All right, let's talk about this little icon you see practically everywhere online.
We've all been taught to look for this lock. It means the site's safe, right?
Well, what if I told you that belief is actually a dangerous myth?
Because scammers have figured out how to use this very symbol of trust against you.
See, that lock just means HTTPS encryption is active. It creates a private, secret tunnel.
But here's the kicker. Hackers can get that same lock for their malicious websites. Easy.
And that gives you a false sense of security, making their scams way more effective. So picture a fake banking site. It's got the logo, the layout, everything looks perfect. And yep, right there in the address bar, it'll say secure with that padlock. But the whole thing is a total trap, designed just to steal your login and password.
Okay, so let's get this straight. What does that little lock really mean?
The myth? That the site is safe. The reality? The connection is private. That's it. Think of it like a sealed envelope. That seal just means the mail carrier can't snoop. But it doesn't prove the person you're mailing is honest. The lock means private, not trustworthy. So that's the real question you need to ask yourself now. Are you looking beyond the lock? Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.